The trucking man. What's up, you guys? So here I am. I am currently about to deliver my second load. I'm not at the consignee yet. I'm still on my way. I'm headed to Kansas right now from North Carolina. I got my first load on Tuesday. Today's Friday. So I had to chain, strap, and tarp. And that was in northern Ohio. Perry, Ohio is where I picked up my first load, and I delivered it to Virginia. And then I emptied over there, folded up my tarps, put away my straps and chains and binders and all that good stuff, and then headed to North Carolina to pick up that load. Right now I'm hauling, what's it called? It's steel piping, kind of like rebar, but a little different. It's not exactly rebar. And I'm delivering that. Right now I weigh 73,776 pounds. On Tuesday I delivered sheet metal, and that weighed around the same. It was like 74,000 pounds. So yeah, right now I'm headed to Kansas from North Carolina. So this company has me running, dude. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Good miles. My first check was, I'm pretty sure at this point in time, I've always revealed my checks and whatnot, but after training and all that for the week, I have 600. They paid me $680 today, plus 400, plus plus 420. So that's about $1,000 within the first couple of weeks. That's training, and then first week out on the road. I've been paid a total of about 6 plus 4,000, like $1,100. So I'm still not going to reveal the company that I'm working for. I don't want to. That's just not. I just don't want to. If you need to know how much I'm making, it's the same as what I've been saying. I can be paid anywhere from 51 to 73 cents a mile. It just depends on what I'm hauling. Depends on what I'm doing. There are opportunities here for oversized delivery and all that good stuff. So it's good. It's going good. Another little look around the fridge. Right, this truck stays on all night long. It's great. It doesn't turn off. This truck does not turn off. So that's good. There's nothing to worry about as far as that. It is governed at 65. Oh, I'm sorry, 70. It's governed at 70, not 65. And what else do I need to tell you guys? It's beautiful over here. It's gorgeous. Committing to the move here to Ohio pretty soon, and that should go over well. Save money and make it happen. Gonna make it rain. Gonna make it rain green, green, green. I don't know if you can see those signs. But that's my current view. I love this work, man. It's hard work. You can't be lazy to do this. But I love it. It's definitely going well. My DM is great. He's making sure that I get miles. He's making sure that all my questions get answered. I'm already scheduled to be home pretty soon. So I got no worries, man. The pay's there. The DM, so far, good relationship. And I'm not gonna make this video too long, man. I need to get up and running. Had to take a little break on my way to Kansas, so I decided to stop real quick and go to the restroom and make a short video. Anyways, you guys take care. All you truckers out there, stay safe, man. See you on the road.